While we're waiting for the glue to dry before we grout our little board, it gives us the time to make our flowers. So I've got a bunch of things for you to think about in terms of where's a good place to start. So for me, and I still use it, it's also a good place to keep going, are these pre-cut stained glass petals, which I wouldn't bother cutting myself, and also they come at a really great price. So out of the box or the bag or however they come in, I think these actually come in a bag, these beautiful white iridized ones, I just love them. You can make a flower like this. You just place them around and pop whatever you want as the centerpiece. Could be anything, it's up to you. One thing you can do with these out of the box petals is just nip off the end here, and when you place them around here you can see how it lays quite differently around the centerpiece. So if you look at the closeness of these petals here compared to the grout spaces you would have here, if you were using something like black grout, this would look terrific because you'd have these black little arms coming out from the center. But if you want it really firm, you can just nip this bit out and there you have it. Pop it in and around. So here I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 petals, 2, 4, 6, 8 petals. That's because they're closer and tighter. To cut the little end bit off, you can draw a line if you want to. You just grab your little wheel nippers, grab your favourite wheel nippers, pop them in there about the distance you want to nip off, which is just a weeny little triangle at the bottom. Make sure your wheel nippers are at 90 degrees with the glass. If it isn't, you'll get a curve. And then remember, nip is fast, crush is slow. Nip. And that's all it is. To make a number 2. Make sure your wheel nippers are at 90 degrees with the glass. If it isn't, you'll get a curve. And then remember, nip is fast, crush is slow. Nip. And that's all it is to make a number 2. We can really change the look and feel of the flower by using our grinder or one of these terrific diamond pads. They'll take the sharpness off the edges, round off the points and give you a different look and feel. So number 3 option, and I'll show you how the grinder works on them as well. The number 3 option that you might like to consider if you've got a grinder or you're intending to get a grinder, or grinding off the edges here so there's no sharpness, grind off the point which softens the flower and smooth off this round bit. So you can see how each of the flowers have a different look and feel. I think that's 3 great options for beginners to start making their own flowers from these pre-cut petals. So it's not like you have to go away and cut them. And I still don't. I'll buy them. It's so much easier.